Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is the 1st of March 2025. Happy new month to all of you. Here are the top crypto news. We begin with the spot Bitcoin ETF, which after 8 consecutive days of outflows, finally saw a positive turn on February 28th. Theoretically, this marks the first day of positive earnings, and overall, spot Bitcoin ETFs have recorded earnings of $94 million. Speaking of BlackRock, the company has taken steps that could bring additional money into its ETF. New product allowing alternative assets to allocate 1 to 2% of their funds into BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin ETF Trust may create additional demand for its spot Bitcoin ETF. These assets are valued at $150 billion, meaning a portion of that money could flow into BlackRock's ETF. Moving on to institutional products, CME Group has announced its plans to introduce futures contracts for Solana on March 17th, pending regulatory approval. If approved, traders in the US will be able to buy and sell Solana futures contracts through CME Group with small contracts of 25 SOL and large contracts of up to 500 SOL. This is positive news for Solanas. Turning to corporate news, we look at Mr. Trump's company, which appears to be launching new products under the same branding. Specifically, DTTM Operations, a company owned by Mr. Trump, has applied for trademarks related to the word Trump. These trademarks seem to be associated with the metaverse and NFTs that Mr. Trump has previously issued. This suggests we may see more similar projects from the current president of the United States. In exchange-related news, Bybit has secured initial approval from the United Arab Emirates as a virtual asset platform. This will allow Bybit to offer crypto services to both retail and institutional investors in the region. Regarding Bybit, we also turn to a hacking incident. So far, hackers have laundered more than $605 million from stolen assets linked to Bybit. According to LookOnChain, these funds have been moved through the THORChain to be converted into Bitcoin. As I mentioned in previous episodes of Crypto News, this highlights ongoing concerns with THORChain, where developers have been withdrawing due to ethical concerns about these transactions. Shifting from centralized to decentralized exchanges, Uniswap has formed a significant partnership with Robinhood, MoonPay, and Transak to attract more users to its platform. This integration allows users in over 180 countries to sell their crypto on Uniswap and receive fiat currency directly in their bank accounts through these three partners. This service, which enables crypto to fiat conversions via Uniswap, is currently available on the Uniswap mobile app for Android and iOS. A desktop version is expected to launch soon. I will also include a step-by-step video demonstrating how to use this feature on mobile devices. Since we are in the Ethereum ecosystem, let's discuss MetaMask, the largest wallet in the Ethereum space. Recently, MetaMask introduced support for Solana and Bitcoin, along with several functional upgrades. The most notable update is the introduction of a MetaMask card, which allows users to make payments for goods and services. This card is supported by MasterCard, and I will include the official website link in the description for those interested in obtaining it. Finally, to wrap up today's news, we turn to Ondo Finance, which is attracting institutional players to its platform. Specifically, a former vice president of congressman has joined its board. Let's say specifically that this person here, Mr. Patrick McHenry, served as a Republican congressman from North Carolina from 2005 to 2025. Previously, he served as president of the Committee on Financial Services of Parliament, which oversees issues related to the economy, so he is the right person in the right position for Ondo Finance. And we will also go to our favorite crypto market, which currently stands at $86,000 with the honor of having recovered losses and making great efforts to rise again. Unfortunately, it is a Saturday-Sunday, so we do not know if there will be enough volatility and liquidity to see further movement. Nevertheless, this positive green light seems to come from certain moves made by Mr. Trump. For starters, Trump made it clear that the United States and the United Kingdom could reach a real trade agreement without tariffs. For this reason, he certainly pleased the markets. However, on the other hand, regarding Ukraine, things are not looking so positive. If you haven't seen it in the news, I will have the article linked below in the description, along with all the videos where Mr. Trump and Mr. Zelensky engaged in intense discussions, disagreeing strongly on the actions the United States wants to take with Ukraine. Mr. Zelensky stated that he will not apologize to Trump and essentially said that this conflict is not beneficial for either side. So at the moment, things regarding Ukraine are not looking very good. That wraps up the top news for crypto today is the 1st of March 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take Take care, everyone, and have a good day.